Hi, this is Jason from Horrific Nightmares. And this is going to be a new segment, a collaboration, if you will, between the Horror Man and myself. Yet another. This is Gialli in July. And today we're going to be talking about The Washing Machine. The Washing Machine is a 1993 film, which runs approximately 90 minutes. Actually, it pretty much is like hour and 27 minutes for the most part. And it's directed by the late, great Ruggero Deodato, who passed away on December 29th, 2022, at the age of 83. Rest in peace. Now, he was responsible for Cannibal Holocaust, Body Count, and Cut and Run, among others. Now, this stars Philippe Carriot as Inspector Alexander. He was in The African Storm and a ton of TV. Ilaria Borelli as Maria Corba. She was in Night Sun, One Pavoni, and some TV. She actually only had like 14 credits to her name, which was pretty surprising. And Katzaria Figaro as Vida Kolba. Yeah, pronunciation on that one's tough. She was in The End, Nerd, some TV, and some shorts. Now, this was filmed in Hungary, and this is going to be a fairly short review because I can't really say much about this without spoiling the entire thing. So we're going to go with there's a man named Yuri who he's basically in love with three sisters that live in this house that he pays for. And the sisters get jealous, and Yuri basically ends up dismembered in a washing machine. Yes, you heard it, in a washing machine. From there, it goes to a detective story about what happened to Yuri. And that's basically all I can share about this film without giving it away. I probably said too much. Fairly simple plot, but this movie is a lot of fun. The body count could have been a little bit bigger. That's probably my only con for this movie. But you kind of don't notice because it's just so much fun. And as my friend Slim says, it is so wacky. It is completely wacky. There are so many WTF moments in this movie. It's unreal. Just stuff that doesn't seem to make a whole lot of sense. Now, when I'm watching a film that is weird or a little different, sometimes it can be off-putting. Not with this. Now, Joe made me a copy of this because this is stupid expensive. It is actually a tin DVD set where the front of the washing machine spins around and the DVD's inside. So it's pretty cool, but I was really glad to get a copy of this. And Joe and I are watching it together, of course, hence the review. And like I said, it can be a little off-putting when movies are weird, or it can also be kind of distracting in a way too. But this movie is so much fun from start to finish. Like I said, it's wacky, but it's not completely out there, I guess. Kind of hard to explain. There is a plethora of nudity in this film. Body count is low, but the acting, and this is a English dub, the acting is really not that bad. And like I said, a whole lot of nudity, not just from the sisters, but from other people as well. And yeah, it's got a lot of nudity in it. Pretty much, yeah, almost everyone in this film gets naked to some degree. And yeah, that's my review for The Washing Machine. This, I think, is one of um, Ruggero Deodato's best. The only film I like more than this that I've seen from him, and I've seen quite a few, is Body Count because I love slasher movies. This was really close though, because it's one that I'm probably going to watch a lot because it's just fun and it goes by really quick, like like Body Count. But yeah, check this one out if you can get a copy. I know it's on Prime, and it was free to watch for a while, but I'm not sure if they started charging for it again. So, like I said, check this out if you can. If not, if you can maybe get a copy from somewhere, it's not cheap. So, yeah. Don't forget to check out Joe's review of the washing machine. And if you like what you see in here, hit that like button and subscribe. And until next time.